Okay, so let's go inside where all these wonderful, gorgeous printables and planners and video pins are housed. It's in a place, it's a teaching site called Thinkific. That's where you'll log in, and right here, once you become a member, this is what you'll see. You'll start here. I'm going to tell you where to find mock-ups to list your printables. That makes them super cute. And then I am actually going to show you how to automate your Pinterest pins if you want to do that, or you can just do it manually. If you decide you want to go the affiliate route and you want to promote other people's products, there's a section in there. And this is really gold right here. These are like a course within themselves. There's a module on how to sell my printables and planners, how to sell them on Gumroad, how to put your link in a Pinterest pin, how to do your keyword research to make sure that they get found. And here is how to upload your printables and planners to social media, and how to have recurring income, set up a membership like this one. And then it actually goes into the actual Pinterest, and that when I first started this membership, it's just Pinterest. Later on, I began to add Instagram video pins, but these are Canva video pins, and they match actually the theme of the printable you're going to get. So for example, if we preview this, you can see some of the printables that are in here, and there's over 2 years worth of printables, trackers, digital planners. Amazing. Okay, so if I go back, I'm going to show you so you can see the Canva pins. These can actually be downloaded as a video, as a GIF, however you say it, a GIF or a JPEG. Yeah, and they're adorable. They're absolutely adorable, and they're in Canva, so you can change the images as you like. But these are already done for you, and I do at least 10 new ones for you every month. Okay, so that is that one. This is June. This is when the membership opened. Let's see if I can zoom out so you can see it better. Here we go. Yeah. I want you to see what you're getting. Okay, let's see if I can automatic zoom. Let's see, 50%. There we go. And then July Canva templates. These are some of my favorites right there. Just love that. It looks like Planner Girl kind of style. And then the older calendars, you can just go into well, actually these are PDFs, so if they're not at the current date, just skip them. But there's only a few of those that are dated. This is one of my favorites too. It's a savings challenge. People love these. I mean, I love these because you can actually print this out and it will help you save $5,000 because you're marking it down. This is another one I love. Save $456 in 30 days. And again, you can just, you can join this club and just, download for a month and then cancel if you just want the printables, or you can stay on. Most people stay on because, I mean, why wouldn't you, right? These are adorable. Okay. And then again, there's Canva Templates videos for each month. And as of right now, I've been doing this for over 2 years. So there's 24 and 3. This is March 2024. So 27 months of video pins and printables and planners. And the printables and planners are flattened PDFs. You can take these and upload them to Canva and just add stickers and graphics if you like. But the main printable itself is not editable in Canva. But you can download, upload it to Canva, and add anything you want. The video pins are all in Canva for Pinterest and Instagram. So I'm just going to quickly go through here. So I can change the view. There we go. Gives you like a bird's eye view. Again, there's 27 months full. 27 months of printables, planners, mix, and video pins. So every month you get 5 new ones and you get 10 new video pins in Canva. Flattened PDFs in the membership site. These are dashboards for people's binders that they can just print out, or planners. And if you want to see this again, you know, you can just replay. Here's a digital planner. But again, that one is dated, so we'll keep going. There's also digital planners for 2024. Let's just take a look at some of these video pins. Super cute, right? I love these. And you can download these as is, or you can upload them into Canva and add to them as far as the printables go. And even if you decide to cancel your membership, you can keep all of this, keep reselling. There's no rules about you can't keep selling. So there's all kinds of templates. Okay, let's go on down to, we're just going to skip because there's so many. And here are some of your video pins that you can use you could actually use these anywhere that you can upload video pins. You can actually copy and resize them in Canva. I've already done that for you with Pinterest and Instagram, but you can just hit the magic resize in Canva and change them to any other social platform, Facebook, TikTok, whatever. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Okay, well, that just gives you an idea of what is uploaded in the members area, plus any and all of the bonuses that we talked about on the sales page. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. I'll be happy to help you. Talk to you soon. Bye now.